BTC, the simplest way to get started with Cardano dApps. Hi everyone, it's Linda here from Malopool, your ADA Pulse presenter today. Today I'm going to run through a cool new wallet. I'm talking about BTC, which bills itself as the simplest way to get started with Cardano dApps. So let's take a look at how it works before you can say, just another cardamom wallet. Why BTC? Let's be honest, self-custody is a pain. You download a wallet, it asks for a seed phrase, you back it up, and every time you log in, you have a 24-word phrase to enter. BTC is different. It strips all of that complexity down to the essentials. A super clean interface that walks you through everything step by step, built-in explanations for key actions like what staking or delegating actually means, no confusing menus or advanced options unless you want them, and it's designed for people who are brand new to crypto, not just blockchain veterans. If you're just getting started, this wallet is probably the best place to begin. Pun intended. If you have your phone or computer nearby, download BTC now on iOS, Android, or as a Chrome browser extension, and you can follow along. One wallet, many powers. Here's where it gets cool. BTC isn't just a wallet. Think of it as your launchpad for the Cardano ecosystem. With just one app and one seed phrase, you can store both ADA and Bitcoin, yes, in the same wallet. Stake ADA with just a few taps to start earning rewards. No need to use a separate staking platform. Lend your ADA using the Liqwid protocol, a trusted DeFi platform on Cardano. You can earn over 20% APY depending on liquidity conditions. Explore and rate dApps directly from the wallet, helping others discover useful tools and filtering out low-quality projects. Delegate to DReps. This is a part of Cardano's on-chain governance, and BTC makes it super easy to participate in shaping the future of the network. You can even use your ADA for real-world stuff like booking flights. So yes, BTC connects directly to services like Travala, so you can spend ADA just like cash without having to convert to fiat first. And that sounds like adoption to me. It's like having your entire crypto life, savings, governance, DeFi, and spending all in one place. Cross-chain made easy. If you've been in crypto for a while, you know you need a different wallet for every blockchain. One for ADA, another one for Bitcoin, maybe one for Ethereum too, and each one has a different interface, backup phrases, and security quirks. BTC simplifies all that. As I said earlier, you can manage both ADA and BTC from a single seed phrase. That means one backup, one login, one place to do everything. No more copying long addresses between apps, it's all right there. Clearly labeled and easy to access. And because it's non-custodial, you hold your keys. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. Security and setup tips. I just want to mention security for a second. When you first set up BTC, it asks you to create a strong password. That's just your device password, used to unlock the wallet on that specific phone or browser. As usual, this can be reset with the seed phrase, but the real key to your crypto is the 15-word seed phrase. Remember, this is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose your device. So here's what to do. Write it down on a paper, not digitally. Store it in a safe place, preferably somewhere offline. Never share it with anyone, not even your cat. BTC does let you skip the backup temporarily, but the app will keep bugging you until you write it down and confirm. That's because it's really that important. So do the smart thing and back it up right away. So to recap it all, download BTC, back up your seed phrase, and then you can start lending, staking, voting, and spending all in one place. Let us know how you got on. Drop your thoughts and comments in the comments. I would like to hear if you tried BTC and what your experience was like. And while you're passing through, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone new to Cardano who needs a simple way to get started. And you can support me personally by delegating your ADA to my Malo stake pool. I'll see you next time. Thank you.